You can create and delete manufacturer part numbers using the manufacturer mode in Item Extension Wizard. Switch to this mode using this button, grab a list of item numbers. If you don't know a manufacturer, you can get it using the user form. Use the wildcard percentage to increase your search capabilities. Manufacturers have their own part numbers, so it could be something like that. Let's just assume that these part numbers are sequentials like that. Then we can just go and upload selected, upload the rows we have lighted, or upload all to upload everything on this tab. These manufacturer part numbers have been successfully created in Oracle. They have the accepted status to prove it. Updates are not supported here. You must delete the existing relationship using this column. Enter yes in here and upload if you need to delete a manufacturer part number. Thanks.